Alright, I'm recording. This is a river. It's just not sure what river it is. It probably tells us up here. Or a lake. It might be a reservoir.
I believe it is.
And this is the Dr. James D. Hoskins H.B. Jarnagin Bridge. It's a trestle bridge. Nice, and then there we go.
Still low, man.
This is, yeah, okay. This is right out of Danridge, isn't it, TJ?
Yeah.
Danridge, Virginia. Danridge, Tennessee.
Yeah.
Well, that was fun. Now here's the lake we were just crossing. Okay. I think we're good.
Hello, Papa. Hello, TJ.
We'll see if it comes back to more country mountain drive. Yeah, we'll see. We've got a road thingy. This part in here is actually making pretty good video. We're in the mountains of Tennessee.
Kind of like you're driving up toward the Highlands. From Greenville.
Yeah. I remember Highlands.
Country mountain driving into here.